When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everyone will respect you. The truth is not always beautiful, nor beautiful words the truth. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. If you try to change it, you will ruin it. Try to hold it, and you will lose it. Water is the softest thing, yet it can penetrate mountains and earth. This shows clearly the principle of softness overcoming hardness. The snow goose need not bathe to make itself white. Neither need you do anything but be yourself. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. I have just 3 things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These 3 are your greatest treasures. The reason why the universe is eternal is that it does not live for itself. It gives life to others as it transforms. Success is as dangerous as failure. Hope is as hollow as fear. Health is the greatest possession. Contentment is the greatest treasure. Confidence is the greatest friend. There is a time to live, and a time to die, but never to reject the moment. To realize that you do not understand is a virtue. Not to realize that you do not understand is a defect.